Welcome to Infomedia. Please subscribe this channel if you are not subscribed first. Kerala State Human Rights Commission. In this video, I have given explanation about the Kerala State Human Rights Commission. The Kerala State Human Rights Commission was constituted on 11th December 1998. The chairman of the state HRC shall be retired Chief Justice of a High Court. The chairman and members of the SHRC shall be appointed by the governor, but they are removed only. SHRC shall hold office for a term of 5 years or up to the age of 78 years, whichever is earlier. The first chairman of the Kerala State Human Rights Commission, Justice M.M. Pareedu Pillai. 2019, Justice Anthony Dominic. National Human Rights Commission. Human rights are recognized under Part 3 of the Indian Constitution. The National Human Rights Commission is an autonomous statutory body. NHRC is established on 12th October 1993 under the provisions of the Protection of Human Rights Act 1993. Human rights under the Protection of Human Rights Act means right to life, liberty, equality and dignity of the individual granted by the Indian Constitution. The Protection of Human Rights Act extends to the whole of India and the state of Jammu and Kashmir in specified matters. The NHRC is the watchdog of the human rights in India. NHRC consists of a chairman and 4 other members. The chairman of National Human Rights Commission shall be a retired Chief Justice of a Supreme Court. One member who is or has been a judge of the Supreme Court. One member who is or has been the Chief Justice of High Court. 2 members from the amongst persons having special knowledge or practical experience in matters relating to the human rights. In addition to the full-time members, the chairman of National Commission for Scheduled Castes, National Commission for Scheduled Tribes, National Commission for Minorities and the chairperson of the National Commission for Women are the ex-officio members of the National Human Rights Commission. The present chairman of the National Human Rights Commission, H.L. Dattu. Justice Renkanatha Mishra was the first chairman of National Human Rights Commission. Chairman and members of the NHRC are appointed and removed by the President of India. The chairman and members hold office for a term of 5 years or until they attain the age of 70 years, whichever is earlier. After their tenure, the chairman and members are not eligible for further employment under the central or state governments. 3 generational human rights. First generation civil and political rights. Second generation economic, social and cultural rights. Third generation collective and development rights. The idea of 3 generations of human rights was proposed by the Czech jurist Karol Vesak in 1979. Issues relating to the right of women. The United Nations established a commission on the status of women in 1946. Declaration on the elimination of discrimination against women was adopted by General Assembly in the year 1967. International Day for the Elimination of Violence Against Women is observed on 25th November. International Women's Day is March 8. The year declared as the Year for Empowerment of Women by Government of India 2001. The National Policy for the Empowerment of Women was passed in 2001. Committee on the Status of Women in India was set up in 1971. State to provide adequate means of livelihood for men and women, equal pay for equal work for both men and women, and ensure just and humane conditions of work and maternity relief for women. Article 39 of the Indian Constitution. In India, separate Ministry for Women and Social Welfare was formed at the centre in 1986. Hindu Marriage Act 1956, bridegroom and bride should have completed 21 and 18 years of age at the time of marriage. Prohibition of Child Marriage Act 2006, indecent representation of women, Act was passed by the Parliament in 1986. The Commission of Sati Act was passed by the Parliament in 1987. The offence of custodial rape is introduced in the Indian Penal Code in 1983 after the protest on Mathura case. Supreme Court of India ruled that a divorced Muslim woman was eligible for maintenance in the case of Shabano case. The Supreme Court issued guidelines on sexual harassment of women in workplace in the Vishaka case. Under the Equal Remuneration Act 1976, it was provided that women doing similar work to men would qualify for equal pay. It is the directive principle under Article 39D of the Indian Constitution. Mary Roy's case led to the granting of equal inheritance rights for Syrian Christian women in Kerala. The Self-Employed Women's Association of India, SEVA, was founded in 1971 by Dr. Ella Fudd. National Commission for Women. National Commission for Women Act was passed by the Parliament in 1990. The first National Commission for Women was constituted on 31st January 1992. The NCW shall consist of a chairperson and other 5 members to be nominated by the central government. At least one member each shall be from amongst the persons belonging to the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes respectively. The chairperson and members shall hold office for a period of 3 years or till the age of 65 years, whichever is earlier. Resignation of the chairperson and members of the National Commission for Women is addressed to the central government. National Commission for Women shall be constituted by the central government in policy matters affecting women. Jayanti Patnaik is the first chairperson of National Commission for Women. 2019 onwards, Rekha Sharma.